In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple scalloped edge bookmark. We create the bookmark like this. So you would cast on a foundation chain that is the length that you want. You work a few single crochet rows and then a scalloped, almost like a bean stitch for that final row. You can use any yarn for this project and any size hook. However, the larger the hook size and yarn weight size, the larger your bookmark will be. And likewise, the smaller the hook and the smaller the yarn size, the smaller your bookmark will be. This bookmark was made using some leftover Ferris wheels yarn that I had. You can see it's a nice sort of tweedy variegated type yarn. It's got some color changes here, and it's very soft and works up to create a nice bookmark. With that yarn, it is a 4-weight yarn. I am using a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, and using the 4-weight yarn and the 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, you get a bookmark that is just about 6 inches and almost 2 inches wide at those very furthest points here, those widest points. But you can play around with your hook size and yarn size for this project to create a much smaller or a much larger bookmark. For this project, you're going to want to start with a slip knot on your hook, and you want a foundation chain in a multiple of 4. So I'm going to chain 28 stitches. Once you have your foundation chain in a multiple of 4, you're going to want to chain 1 for the turning chain and work back into that first chain and just work a single crochet into it and a single crochet into every stitch all the way down the chain. Once you have single crocheted into every stitch down the line, we're going to chain 1, turn. We are going to skip that first single crochet that you chained out of and go right to the next one and just work a single crochet into that stitch and a single crochet into every stitch all the way down the line. I have worked a single crochet once again into every stitch. Row 3, chain 1, turn, skip that first single crochet, work a single crochet into the next and into every stitch all the way across. So rows 1, 2, 3 are just a row of single crochet. 3 rows of single crochet complete. Row 4, chain 3, turn. You're going to want to skip the first 3 single crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in the next work a double crochet. We're going to chain 3 and work around this double crochet post. We're going to work 4 double crochets right around that double crochet post. We're going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the next work a double crochet, chain 3, and work 4 double crochets right around this double crochet post. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the next a double crochet, chain 3, and 4 double crochets around that post. So you're going to keep working this until you get close to the end, and I will meet you there. So I'm near the end. 1, 2, 3. There's my last stitch. I'm going to chain 3 and slip stitch right into that last, or that first single crochet on the end. My last stitch on this row, and just slip stitch. And you have created the base of your bookmark. To do the little toggle at the end, you're going to want to chain as many as you want. Stitch count or chain count doesn't matter for this. So I like to just chain and then see where it lies on my bookmark. Some people like a really long chain for their toggle. Some people just like a little short one. Whatever you want to do, stitch chain count does not matter. So I'm just going to go ahead and chain a bunch. I'm going to chain an extra 3, and then I'm going to work a double crochet back into the 4th stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4 into that 4th chain. Just going to work a double crochet, I'm going to chain 3, and I'm going to work 4 double crochets around that post right here, that double crochet that we worked, just like in the pattern. 4 double crochets around that double crochet post. And then I'm just going to slip stitch into one of those first chains on the chain to join, and now we've got a little matching toggle. You can cut your yarn, fasten off, weave in all of your ends, and you have a very easy scalloped edge bookmark. You can block these if you'd like, if you feel like they don't lie flat, or you can just kind of spray them and set something heavy on top just to sort of flatten them out if you feel like they're curling at all. These are really easy, really fun, and they make great gifts if you're looking for a quick and easy gift, especially for somebody who loves to read. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to check out some of my other quick and easy projects on my channel. I will have a link to my gifts playlist, and you'll find some quick and easy things on there. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and be sure to share it with all of your crafty friends. Until next time, happy crocheting everyone. Bye!